turtle! Everybody's saving the turtle! Look at everybody stop to save that snapping turtle, and boy do they snap. Hi, Snapper. Hi. You know, you wouldn't be alive. And you tried to bite me. I'm glad you're safe up in Dunchurch. My goodness. I even left my phone on the side of the road. I don't even know. Oh, I'm holding my phone, for gosh sakes. That was more traumatic than getting bitten by a dog. Oh, look, they've got, what is that? Oh, it's a community center. Oh, I could work at the community center. Or I could work at the LCBO. I mean, honestly, what was anybody thinking when they thought that me moving here was a really great idea? That's just like moving a human being who, never mind. I'm not looking for the liquor store. I'm looking for a variety store because the water you can't drink up here because it's sulfur. That would have been really healthy. Okay. Hello. Hi. I am not from here, and I do not know where a variety store is.
Oh, I'm not from here either.
Where's the variety store, miss?
Gas station right there.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Gas station right there. Where's the fucking gas station? Oh, there's a nurse's station. Wow. Oh, there's a fire department. Where's the gas station? Anyway, oh, there's the turtle. They do snap. They bite. The guy said they bite. I tried to get it to, where is he? Hi, Snapper. Oh! I always love adventures. But that's the kid, I think, in adults. The curiosity. Hey, what do you think of humans? We're all a bunch of idiots, aren't we? Do you live by instinct? Do you have a brain? Well, you're pretty cool looking. Bye, Snapper. Bye, Snapper.